Now to that breaking news out of Galveston County, where more than 80 people at the resort at Texas City have now tested positive for COVID-19.
Yes, this includes residents and employees. Channel 2's Brandon Walker live in Texas City tonight, where Galveston County health leaders just gave that alarming update. Brandon?
Hey guys, in Galveston County's local health authority, Dr. Philip Kaiser says that these numbers are serious. 70 additional confirmed cases of residents and employees of resorts at Texas City confirmed now with the virus. We've got a breakdown of the numbers where they stand now with this facility in particular. The additional numbers brings the total number of residents and employees who've tested positive to 83 at this particular facility, including 13 confirmed cases yesterday, as I mentioned. There are 14 results still pending, we are told. And along with these numbers, officials also outlined several restrictions that have been issued in an attempt to control this outbreak. Most of those are in alliance with CDC guidelines, but Dr. Kaiser also signed an order preventing employees of long-term care facilities who work where there is a confirmed case or cases from working at another facility in the county. That's significant because remember yesterday when we first reported these cases from this facility, we were told that potentially an employee worked at multiple locations. We were told that there were more than one employee to do that because it's a common occurrence, we're told, because many of these employees aren't full-time at one facility. Dr. Kaiser says the resorts at Texas City has reconfigured its setup inside to separate those diagnosed and hopefully get a control of all of this.
What we have asked them to do is to cohort the COVID positive patients together on a separate hallway from everyone else. We've asked them to double down on their infection control practices, PPE and masks for everybody in there. We have been in contact with them numerous times throughout the day, just kind of working out what the procedures are. What we can say to family members is, all I can say is my heart goes out to you.
Yeah, so obviously several loose ends to tie up here, including other facilities here in Galveston County where there are confirmed cases, but not as large, of course, as the resorts at Texas City, we are told. But officials tell us that they are working to secure testing with UTMB to test all patients at these facilities, or people who would like to be tested, because they can't force people to take a test, we are told here by the county, just to get a better idea of where things stand at other facilities here throughout the county. But they suspect the situation at the resorts at Texas City to be isolated to it, and they don't think that there will be any larger outbreaks at the other facilities, but they want to make sure that they conduct testing to confirm that. And so those numbers will be issued as they work that out. Also, you've got the families of those residents who are concerned about what's going on at the facility, the number of cases now 83. We asked about that and what to tell them. Dr. Kaiser said that he understands why folks would be upset and wanting answers, but he also says that as far as he knows, as far as his department is concerned, these facilities are working in alliance with CDC guidelines, following their suggestions too, to get a better grip on all of this. But you can't discount the fact that 83 cases at one facility is big news. Galveston County officials know that. Right now, they're working to curb the outbreak at this facility, and they're also working to do the same at other facilities here in Galveston County that don't have as high number of cases as is the case at the resort at Texas City. But officials are watching and waiting for more results and testing to come in. Live in Texas City, I'm Brandon Walker, KPRC Channel 2 News.
Thank you, Brandon.